Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with 3 projects which are more of the home decor tricks. Do you want to have a lamp in the place where there is no plug? Really liking this print but you would prefer it to be a painting? Or you're looking for distressed mirror but can't afford the original antique piece? I will try to solve all these problems for you in today's video. So without any further ado, let's get right into the first project. I've removed the glass from my frame and moved outside. At first, clean the glass to remove any dirt and fingerprints. Next step is to spray it with white vinegar. I mostly missed the edges of the glass as this is the place where mirror is usually distressed. Then I take mirror effect spray from Rust-Oleum and sprayed it on the wet vinegar. I make sure the whole surface is covered. I take a kitchen towel and with gentle moves I tap the glass. This way I create the effect of old distressed mirror. You want to tap really small parts. More often but small rather than removing bigger parts. But if something goes wrong you can always spray it again. I mostly focus on the edge, only few taps in the middle of the glass. I leave it till fully dry and then turn it upside down. This side I will spray with matte black paint. I do about 2 thin layers. This mirror will look the best with some nice antique looking frame. I've bought mine for £2 on cardboard sale, so it was a steal. If you found the frame without the glass, you can always cut to the size some spare glass. I move it gently into the frame with black part facing up. Secure it in place and my antique looking mirror is ready. I'm super happy how it turned out. I always had love to old mirrors, so be able to create a replica on a budget makes me feel so satisfied. This trick is super easy and I'm going to use it in few places around my house. I'm sure you had this problem before when you want to place your table lamp somewhere where there is no plug nearby or you just don't like the look of hanging cord. This can be really inexpensive decoration. You can thrift, like me, the perfect shaped vase and the lampshade. The key in this trick are these LED pack lights. You can purchase them from Amazon. Usually they come in bigger sets. They are battery operated and with this little remote you can switch them on and off. As I've mentioned before, my vase and lampshade are second-hand. I went for transparent glass to achieve more modern look. But this project is also perfect for old vases or pots. It really depends on what style of lamp you want to achieve. Lampshade is very basic in a neutral color. Sometimes the inside part of the lampshade is made of 4 arms. This one has only 2, so I will have to secure it a bit better. When I place it straight on the vase, the lampshade is very wobbly. To solve that problem, I have to cover the hole and make the straight surface a bit bigger. I've bought this dish for candles few days ago. I really bought it for the candle, but it turned out to be the perfect size for my vase. It stays all nice and secured. If your vase isn't transparent, you can also put candlestick inside and then lampshade on top of it. LED light inside and new table lamp is ready. It is such an easy project. All you need is to find unique looking vase and lampshade. Then you can have a light wherever you like. Sometimes you go to charity shop or thrift store if you're from US and see those beautiful pictures. You really hope they are paintings, but they are just prints. You're leaving them behind. It happened to me many times. I left so many beautiful pictures just because they were prints. But now I discovered this technique of adding texture to prints so they look like oiled paintings. This technique works great with good quality prints, especially with some landscape or still life. I bought this print especially for this project as I couldn't find any nice picture of the flowers this time. But again, you are more likely to find something good looking in thrift store. If not, places like Etsy are full of unique prints. I have the right size frame for it as well. I start with removing the glass as we won't need it anymore. I put some Mod Podge on the back cardboard from the frame and glue my print to it. Make sure it's nice and straight. To create the texture of my print, I'm using matte Mod Podge. For the background, I do short moves in all directions. When it comes to the flowers and leaves, I try to follow the original brush moves. This way it will look even more realistic. Mod Podge will dry out transparent, so you can put thick layers of it. I should really remove the picture from the frame and then paint it. Once the first layer dried out, I take thinner brush and go along the flowers again, trying to follow the moves. For my second print, I've decided to use slightly different technique. Instead of making the smooth moves with the brush, now I tap it. I just wanted to see if there will be any difference and which technique is better. However, with the flowers, I again follow the original moves. I think the layer of Mod Podge made these prints look so much better. You don't look at them like at some cheap prints anymore. Now, if I will see some nice prints, I'm definitely not leaving them behind. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video, and if you want to see more home decor tricks, just let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to explore more of them and show them to you, as I know they sometimes come handy. Like always, let me know what you think about today's projects and the video, and if you enjoy it, click the like button. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. And for now, thank you so much for watching, your support, and I will see you in my next video.